Hey guys, Get Woods Runner here, and I'm just gonna do a. Just got this in the mail. It came all the way from Maine. It was sent to me by Uncle Dave from DEECEES Adventures, and he's got a really good website, puts up lots of videos. He's been gone for a while, but he's been doing some really good knife reviews lately. I'm going to put his YouTube channel down in the description, the video here. And anyway, this is from I won this in his one of his giveaways, and I understand he's got another giveaway going on right now for a Hudson Bay knife. Now, be careful not to expose his address here. Now, I did see the video on this when he was doing this giveaway. This was his 100th video giveaway, and I don't think I'll ever do 100 videos, but never say never. Anyway, what we have here is a military-style canvas bag with some Velcro pockets here, and it's all canvas strap, carrying strap that's stitched directly to the bag there. Very nice bag, awesome bag. Gee, nice heavy steel buckle here. Reminds me of my days in the military back in the day when we were still using canvas butt packs and web gear and stuff. Well, I still use that stuff. But okay, wow, this thing is just chock full here. There's a more Classic in here. This is number 1. More Classic. Awesome. These things are razor sharp. Wow. I've never owned a Classic, Dave. This is the first time I've had my hands on one of these more Classics, and I think wasn't it Cody Lundeen carried one of these around his neck through all the dual survival shows. Awesome. That's awesome. Okay, one of my favorite pieces of gear is this right here. USGI style canteen, and complete with the cover and an aluminum canteen cup with the winged handles here. Very nice. That's actually pretty solid. It's pretty dang solid. All right. It's light, so I like aluminum. It's light. I mean, you can go with titanium if you like, but it's expensive, and I like the aluminum stuff. All my canteen cups, I own several, and all of them are aluminum. And then there's a little pocket here. In that pocket, he's got some water purification tablets, some chlorine tablets for purifying water. Katahdin, like Mount Katahdin there in Maine, where you're. Well, he's from Maine, Dave. You're up there in Maine. My brother was an outfitter up there in Maine. He was a kayaking guide. And anyway, so oh yeah. Looks like we got a bobber and some fish hooks here. a little fishing kit put together right here. Nice. I remember that from the video that you put up. Awesome. Here's a map, it looks like, of the White Mountains. When I was young, I used to do a lot of, I would think I was 12 years old the first time I went up Mount Washington in the White Mountains. I went up with a group. It rained like crazy that day. And here's a way to make some meat right here. We got a rat trap. Awesome for catching squirrels and stuff like that. Yeah, awesome. Great. Way to get some food, some protein. Wow, this thing's just, look at that. Oh wow. Got a hand socket and a drill for a spindle for a, smells like willow. So a drill and a socket for a bow drill. Awesome. This is all good stuff. I mean, check this out. There's a striker and a ferro rod on a clip here to attach right to the bag so you don't lose it. And the P38. We called them P38s back in the military in my day. A ferro rod and a little button compass. Let's see. See if I can get away from the metal here. I know where north is, so let me see. And it works. Bag of rice, wild rice. First aid kit with all kinds of band-aids and thread in there, kind of little sewing kits, some crazy glue to glue yourself up if you get all cut. Some gauze bandages here and all kinds of good stuff in there. Awesome. That's just too cool. Wow. Alright. Lemon eucalyptus. Lemon and eucalyptus. That'll be interesting to try that out this year and see if it actually works, because I know a few good spots where if it don't work we'll know pretty quick. So come next summer. Right now it's been below zero and snowing in the mountains here in Montana. Oh wow, check this out. A little fire kit here with tea light candles, some looks like cotton balls with wax, and another way to make fire using steel wool, fine steel wool, use in conjunction with the battery to get it going, or you can hit it with a spark with the ferro rod and it'll catch fire as well. Pretty awesome. And some fuel tabs. Esbit. I guess Esbit tabs. That's far out. That's far out. I've got a little one of those little nano wood stoves by Hey guys, how you doing? This is Woods Runner. I'm finishing up my unboxing from DEECEES Adventures. I received this great gift. Anyway, I just want to finish it up. I got kind of cut off in the middle of the in the middle of my unboxing, so I just had a couple more things that were in here. There were two of these Mylar blankets, which are really good for, you know, you can use them if you get stuck out overnight or something. They don't weigh much. You don't want to wrap yourself up in these things, but you can build a reflector behind you to throw heat back down onto you in front of a campfire or something to help keep you warm. And we have a pencil and a notebook in here. You know, you can leave a note in camp or something if you have to leave camp and somebody shows up. Or if you head off in a different direction, or maybe you just want to keep track of your pace or whatever. But there's a notebook and a pencil. And like I said, the bag itself is appears to be really solid and well made piece of gear. So thank you for that, Dave. I'm sorry I didn't get this done sooner, but anyway, yeah, so check out Dave's channel. It's DEECEES Adventures. I'll put the description, I'll put the video link down in the description, so check him out. He's got a great channel. I've got a couple of videos to do to catch up on right now, and so I want to get that done, but first I wanted to get this done here, Dave. So there it is right there, guys. So from here in the oh yeah, sorry. So here in the Woods Runner's den here, see I got packs, a couple of different types of snowshoes, more packs. I like black powder rifles, I like all kinds of rifles, hunting rifles, and my mini 14, more backpacks, old antique frame packs, knives, vintage canteens from World War II. That's one of the original Moore style pots. And anyway, guys, just showing you how much junk I got around me. I got stuff. You know, I got too much stuff. You know, I need to get rid of some stuff. So I'll probably be doing another sale here one of these days soon. Anyway, don't forget to check out Dave, okay? I mean, the dude is awesome, okay? He's got like 100 videos up or more now. And so he's got some good information. It's not just, you know, junk. So check him out. Alright, this is it. Woods Runner. Take her easy, but take her bye.